Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make the cube in a cube pattern on the Rubik's cube. So this pattern is, according to me, the best pattern of the Rubik's cube I have tested. So this is a pretty cool pattern. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make it, and there is a big formula for this to make the Rubik's cube cool in a cube pattern. So let's get started. These are the formulas which I'm going to use for this video. So I use the red face as front face. The surface always facing you will make permutation. So if I turn the upper layer towards my left, this is U. If I turn the upper layer towards my right, it is UI. If I turn the right layer towards my up, it is R. If I turn the right layer towards my bottom, it is RI. If I turn the left layer towards my above top, it is L. If I turn the left layer towards my bottom, it is Li. If I turn the front layer towards clockwise, it is F. If I turn the front layer anti-clockwise, it is Fi. If I turn the back layer clockwise, it is B. If I turn the back layer anti-clockwise, it is BI. If I turn the down layer towards my left, it is D. If I turn the down layer towards my right, it is DI. So these are the formulas which I am going to use. If I repeated U2, R2, L2, F2, B2, D2 means you have to turn the same layer 2 times. So let's get started to the formula. So guys, here is the formula. Cube in a cube. This is the first part of the pattern. F, Li, F, Ui, R, U, F2, L2, UI, L, BI, D, B, L2 and U. So now we got a cube in a cube pattern. So we have to twist the corner. So don't turn the cube, just continue with the formula. This is the second part of the pattern. B2, RI, DI, R, D, RI, DI, R, U, RI, D, R, DI, RI, D, R, UI, B2. So here is the formula. Now I hope you have got that cube in a cube pattern according to my type of formula. So thanks for watching guys. I have really worked hard for this video. So please like, subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys in my next video.